starting a vlog in my kitchen, so you guys know what's up. I'm just making pasta, so I thought I'll share the recipe, quick recipe with you guys. So I'll just quickly share. I have some chopped vegetables here, and I love using onions more, but I just have this much, so we'll just work with that. Then I also have some red chili. Now I like eating spicy, so I also like to put this inside, and some colorful capsicums and baby corns. And I'll just measure out how much pasta I'll need. So first I'll just boil the water. I just added salt in this. Just adding a little bit of olive oil inside. And we'll just let this come to boil. So pasta is done. I'll just switch this off. And then I'll just remove the water. So I have drained the water, and now I'll just wash it with cold water. Today, and I just received this huge box from Amazon. So firstly, I love watching Amazon Pantry hauls. Like, I know Magali does that, so I love watching her hauls. So I thought, why not just order things myself? So the links to everything that's going to show up in this video will be also in the description box. It will be affiliated, so if you want to support, then I'll just get like few % of that purchase that you do on Amazon. So yeah, it's like a win-win situation for both of us. So also use it only if you want to use. There's no compulsion here. So I am just opening the box right now, and the first thing that you see is oh my god, this box is heavier than me. The basic Amazon pouches. So the first thing that I saw in this box is the Pillsbury cookie cake, and I haven't tried this out yet. I will do it soon. A lot of things in this parcel is something that I haven't tried before, so I am excited. The next thing that I got is, are you serious? I thought it will be this huge box. This is too yummy. This is comparatively new in the market, and these are wheat thins in the flavor minty pudina. And I got one more flavor in the same wheat thins. This is called Desi Tadka. Why is everything so expensive, or am I just poor? Next thing that I got is Little Hearts. Like, everyone loves Little Hearts, so yeah, this is the classic one. Moving on, the next thing that I got is Sunfeast Pasta Treat. This is the masala flavor. I don't like any other flavor other than this in the Sunfeast pasta whole range. So I got 2 packets of that. Then I got my all-time favorite. Like, without this I cannot survive, I feel like. This is the Haldiram's Aloo Bhujia, and I can eat this all day long. Like, not all day long, but then yeah, I love this so freaking much. Next thing is my favorite. This is the Tokram and Fury chili. I love eating this these days more than Maggi because it's kind of spicy, but at the same time it's just like Maggi, but spicy. Yeah, how many times did I just say spicy? If you haven't tried this out and if you love spicy things, then you should give this a try. Okay, the next thing that I got is something from my childhood that I used to eat a lot, and I haven't had this since, like, I don't even remember. Since more than 10 years, obviously. These are like milk bikis. I used to eat this so much. And the next thing that I got is Haldiram's Aloo Lacha. If you haven't tried this out yet, and if you love peri-peri fries and, you know, fries that are spicy and masaledar things, then you should give this a try. It's totally worth it. Like, I got 3 packets of this. It's my favorite, so yeah, give this a try as well. The next thing that I got is something that I wanted to try since so long, but I couldn't find it anywhere near me. So this is the Knorr Italian noodles, cheese and herbs, and my cousin loves this, so I thought even I'll give this a try. And I also got one more flavor. This is the Szechuan one. I don't know when I'll try this out, guys, so you will have to stay tuned with my vlogs. I'll just try it out every now and then. Next thing that I got is a packet of penne pasta. I ran out of them, so yeah. The second last thing that I got is this really tiny. Yeah, I expected this to be also big. Yeah. So this is called Poof. It looks really trendy, by the way. So this is strawberry candy floss flavor. Quick, you know. Yeah, I think it's something like that. Last thing that I got is can you guess? Come on, I'll just pause the video right now, go down and comment down below and just guess what's the last thing. Come on, I'm waiting. Do it, do it. Okay, are you ready for it? I'm so excited with it. Okay, so that was my haul. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know if you want to see more such hauls. I decided to try this out now, so let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have a very strong feeling I'll need chili flakes or some kind of chili in this. Let me just take a small bite first and see. I don't think I need chili sauce. Like, there's a bit of spice inside. To be honest, it's a nice change if you're tired of the old boring Maggi. Okay, honestly, chili flakes I think would make this even 10 times better for a person who loves spicy like me. But it's not bad. Like, I genuinely like this. It's worth it. Hi guys, so it's Monday today. I'm ending the vlog on Monday because I was so sick yesterday. I couldn't even talk. My throat was like constantly drying. Plus I had fever. So yeah. Firstly, the giveaway has been postponed because of the quality of the bottles. I used one, like my mom used one, and the paint is actually like, you know, fading. So I don't want to give away, you know, things which are like not good. So that's why I'm just postponing the giveaway. I have spoke to YouTube also about this and they are resolving it. So hopefully it will be resolved. If not, then I'll do something from my side and do this. Otherwise, I don't know. So yeah, please stay tuned. I'm so sorry. Entries that have been posted already will be valid. Don't worry about that. And yeah, I'll just end the vlog here itself. I hope you guys like this. I went to wedding right now. That's why this whole makeup look. But I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to work hard, be kind and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.